Hey guys, this is Chase with App Insurance, and I just wanted to take just a minute to talk to you about some coverages for your business that you may not be familiar with, may not be sure if you need it or not. But one of the biggest questions a lot of people have is they don't really know the difference between what a general liability policy is and a business owner's policy. And depending on the kind of business you have, you may or may not technically need both one versus the other, but general liability, for the most part, takes into consideration if when you are performing a job or service or product, you're completing products, you're offering products to somebody, it will actually take into consideration either damage that maybe you caused to somebody else's property unintentionally, obviously, just from the course of work that you do. If somebody sues you because you didn't do something the way that you say that you were supposed to as a business, say that they're trying to say that you didn't perform your job or service to the level that you should have. They're suing you for it. And maybe something that you did offer to somebody, maybe that you caused them damage because of the accident or the mistake that was made on your part, or at least that what they're trying to say was your part. That's where general liability comes into play. It helps protect you against things like that. Now, business owner's policy, it has liability built into it, but it also offers a wide range of other things, and there are different riders and endorsements you can put on business owner's policy to be specific to your industry, and that could just be depending on exactly what you do. You may want certain endorsements, and those can range on a broad spectrum. So, if you have if you own a building, your building can actually be tied into the business owner policy that you have. So if you own the building that your business operates out of, a business owner's policy will actually cover the building itself and liability. And then you can also include personal property on the business owner's policy. So your business personal property, not your personal property, but your business personal property, the stuff that you have in your business to operate on a daily basis. So those are just the main differences between a general liability policy and a business owner's policy. So if you have equipment, I don't care if you are a lawn business, if you're a retail store. If you're a retail, you're going to have inventory. You need to add to your business owner's policy. That's not something a general liability policy typically will cover. If you mow lawns or landscape, you are going to have equipment. You've got your trucks, your trailers, which your trucks are going to be on a commercial auto policy, but you've got all of your mowers, your weed eaters, your blowers, and all the other tools and stuff that go with that. You need a business owner policy to cover that stuff properly. So, general liability only really does good for what I said, to cover you on those instances where somebody's going to try to sue you or say that you either damaged their property or you didn't complete your service properly. I mean, that's the general extent of general liability. So I hope that explains a little bit more about how business policies work. And maybe if you're not sure if you've got the right kind of policy, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call. Let us look at your policy. We'll be able to tell you if you should maybe look at adding some different coverages, maybe look at a different type of policy if you don't have the right type. So, again, be more than happy to help you out if you'll call us at 606-297-5300, or you can go to appainsurance.com, and you can find all of our contact information there. We've got some articles. You can find our email, however you want to contact us.